It's just an example. We've taken it from NHS England presentation, and it's just to give you an idea of what this might look like. So you can see on the left-hand side here, we've got a picture of a computer, and it says patient submits an inquiry in their own time through a structured online consultation form via the practice website, or in our case, via patient access. That comes into the practice, and you'll have a team of people who will be monitoring the incoming forms. Now, we'll have a talk about this later in terms of who that might be in your practice, how you would structure that, what resources do you have. We're very aware that every practice has different resources, different skill sets and so on. This particular model here is just one example. It's saying that perhaps you'll have administrative staff who will be the frontline triaging these incoming forms. They'll review them, they'll allocate them out accordingly across the practice, so they'll send any admin requests to the admin team or reception or secretaries, and then they'll forward any clinical requests to the relevant clinician. And that doesn't have to be a GP, it can be GP, nurse, pharmacist, any suitably qualified person who's the best one that's placed to resolve that query or deal with that incoming form. The actions or outputs could then differ as well. So an online consult form doesn't always necessarily result in an appointment or any particular contact. It could just be a message that you send to the patient and so on. So it may be that you send them a message using your third-party messaging tools. It might be that you book in a consultation via video or telephone, or indeed, if necessary, a face-to-face one. So that's just one pathway of how you might manage the incoming forms.